Our application process has now moved to an online portal called Gate Front Office. This mini tutorial will guide you step by step on how to upload supporting documents. Currently, the Community Initiatives Program Operating and the Community Facility Enhancement Program Small have transitioned to the Front Office portal for this process. By this point, you may be already familiar with or have completed the following. If you haven't, or if you need help, please watch our previous mini tutorial videos for guidance. First, start by visiting the Gate Front Office webpage. This web address can be located in the email containing your login credentials. Once you arrive at the Gate Front Office login screen, click on Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be on the main page. If you have already started an application, scroll down to Recent Submissions, where you will find your draft application. Click this. In your draft application, you will see File Attachments on the left sidebar. If you select File Attachments, you'll be brought to a page that has a list of mandatory and supporting documents to include in your application. This page will show various document types that include required, supporting, and additional documents. Required documentation must be uploaded in order to submit your application. This includes financial statements, list of executives, signed grant agreement, documents supporting matching funding is in place, estimates or quotes, application for electronic payment transfer, and void check or bank deposit form. The grant agreement can be found at the top of the sidebar when you can click a link that will download the agreement. Once complete, please attach the document. The application for electronic payment, also known as AEP, can be found on the program website. All other documents are unique to the organization. Supporting documents can include a lease or user agreement, proof of title, various letters of support, title holder permission, and a third-party agreement. Please only include the documents that are applicable to your application. In addition, multiple documents within the same category type can be grouped together, including letters of support from various stakeholders. Lastly, there is an additional space for you to upload a maximum of 4 additional documents. This could include a project schedule, drawings, research, community surveys, and so forth. Please note, these are not a requirement when submitting an application. To upload a document, click the document type. Please be mindful that Front Office will accept many document formats, including Word and Excel documents and PDFs. Please do not send a picture of the completed forms as Front Office does not accept JPEG files. Type in the name of the document you're uploading in the document description box. Then click on Choose File and you'll be able to navigate wherever you've saved the forms on your laptop or computer. Once you are there, double-click on the document to select the file for upload. Once the file has been uploaded, click on the Save and Back to List button on the bottom left corner of your screen and you'll be redirected back to the File Attachments list. Then continue down the list until all required forms to complete your application have been uploaded. Please note that you must put something in the document description box as it will not let you go back or save without. This concludes the mini tutorial on how to upload supporting documents in Gate Front Office. If you have any questions about this process, please contact Community Grants at 1-800-642-3855 or you can email your questions to communitygrants@gov.ab.ca.